We're here to share a program with you called Peer Mediation. A peer is someone close to your age, for example, someone in your class. Peer mediation is when other students about your age and another student solve arguments. Our program has 6 trained peer mediators here at Whitmore-Bolles. Some examples of conflicts we can help with are arguing, pushing, teasing, friendships, threatening, name-calling, rumors, and dishonesty.
Why did you push me down and call me a big nose?
Why did you come up and kick me in my shin?
I was trying to kick the ball.
The ball was over on the other side of the field.
No, it wasn't. But I'm sorry.
Fighting, crying, walking away, or ignoring a problem doesn't solve the problem. Talking about the problem with the other person is really the best way to handle a conflict. But there are times when you are so angry that you find it difficult to talk with the other person. But now you can go to a mediator.
What? We're trying to play Justin kicking the shin ball?
No, I was not. I was trying to kick the ball. Isn't that what soccer's all about?
Yeah, well, you were on the other side of the field.
Well, I'm sorry. I really am. I'm trying to kick the ball.
You're just...
No, I'm not.
Yeah, the ball was over there.
Well, I'm sorry.
You two need peer mediation.
What's peer mediation?
Mediators help people who are having a conflict or problem listen to each other and find a solution to their problem. Mediators do not take sides. They are not judges. They do not look for guilt. They do not decide solutions to the problem. Mediation takes place in private and no witnesses are called.
Hello, we are Hallie
And Heidi.
We will be your mediators today. We are here to come up with solutions to your problem. But as mediators, we can't solve it for you and we can't take sides.
Before we begin, there are some mediation ground rules you need to agree to so that the mediation can be easier. Be honest and tell the truth. Don't interrupt each other. You will both have a chance to talk. No name-calling or teasing. No arguing or fighting. Be calm and stay in your seats. Keep things we say today confidential. No gossiping. We must tell an advisor immediately if we find out someone will be harmed or if these ground rules are broken. Do you both agree?
I guess so.
Okay.
Justin, tell your side of the story.
Well, Rebecca just came up and kicked me in the shin for no apparent reason.
How did that make you feel?
Hurt.
Rebecca, tell your side of the story.
I was trying to play soccer and I accidentally came up when I was kicking the soccer ball and I accidentally kicked Justin in the shin. I said I was sorry, but I didn't know if he heard me, so he came up and he pushed me down and he called me a big nose.
How did that make you feel?
Upset.
Justin, what's Rebecca's side of the story?
Rebecca's side of the story is that she was playing soccer and then she kicked me in the shin accidentally, and then she said sorry, but she didn't think that I could hear her. So then she said that I came up and pushed her down and called her big nose.
How did that make her feel?
Upset.
Rebecca, what's Justin's side of the story?
Justin said that I just came up and kicked him in the shin for no apparent reason.
How did that make him feel?
Hurt.
Justin, what do you want to happen?
I wanted her to stop kicking me in the shin.
Rebecca, what do you want to happen?
I want Justin to stop accusing people before he has proof.
Let's think of some possible solutions to this problem so that both of you can have what you want. Rebecca, give 3 possible solutions.
I think that Justin should stop accusing before he has proof. He shouldn't physically harm anyone, and he shouldn't call anyone a name.
Justin, give 3 possible solutions you think will solve the problem.
I could stop accusing, think before I act, and get the facts.
The object of mediation is to help each person listen to the other person's side of the story so that they can see the whole story and not only their point of view. The students in conflict are responsible for finding a fair win-win solution to their problem. Now we need to agree on the solution. Rebecca, which do you like best?
I like the stop accusing before you have proof, because then you wouldn't be doing all the other bad things to people.
Okay. Justin, which do you like best?
I like to stop accusing.
Both of you will sign this mediation form and stick to the agreement.
Now we need to think of some ways to prevent this problem from happening again. Remember, you have to do exactly what you say. Rebecca, what can you do to prevent this problem from happening again in the future?
I can make sure that before people accuse that they have proof to do what they're doing.
Okay. Justin, what can you do to prevent this problem from happening again in the future?
I can stop accusing people of things that they said they're sorry of or something, and I didn't hear it.
Okay. Thank you for using mediation to solve your problem peacefully. We will check with you soon to see how things are going.
Peer mediation is available to students in grades 3 to 5. If you are having a problem with another student and you want to use peer mediation to help solve your problem, talk to a teacher or a noon-hour supervisor. Only teachers and noon-hour supervisors can fill out a form for you to request a session.
Peer mediation sessions will be held after the lunch times at 1 o'clock. You do not get to pick who you want to be the mediators. They will be assigned by the principal.
Learning to solve problems is what this program is all about.
Thank you for hearing about our peer mediation program. Remember, we are here to help you.